Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Hemingway Editor for clarity checks, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for the Hemingway Editor. Press the Enter key to navigate to the website. Once the page loads, look for the option to sign up or create an account. Click on that option to begin the subscription process. You will be prompted to enter your email address and choose a password. Fill in your email and password in the respective fields. Next, check for any confirmation or agreement statements you need to acknowledge. Read through the terms and click the necessary checkboxes. Once you have completed that, look for a button that says Sign Up or Create Account. Click on that button to submit your information. After signing up, you may receive a confirmation email. Check your inbox for an email from Hemingway Editor. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. This will redirect you back to the Hemingway Editor website. Once you are verified, log in using the email and password you created. After logging in, explore the user interface to become familiar with the layout. To access clarity checks, locate the section specifically designed for this feature. Upload or input your text into the editor area. Once your text is there, Hemingway Editor will automatically analyze it. Pay attention to the highlighted sections indicating areas for improvement. Review the suggestions given by the editor closely. Make any necessary adjustments to enhance clarity. Feel free to refer to the side panel for further explanations on the suggestions. When satisfied with your edits, save or export your document as needed. Exploring additional features can also improve your writing process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.